Restorative Justice Program is an alternative dispute resolution program where someone has been charged in a criminal offense. And what we are trying to do is bring the victim and the offender together in a circle to resolve the issue between the people involved.
The Restorative Justice Program contains a youth component called the Community Youth Justice Initiative, which helps keep youth out of the prison system.
The Western system, in my experience, is quite adversarial, and it doesn't deal with other aspects of our human needs, let's say, in terms of our feelings and our emotions and rebuilding of relationships after they have been broken. So this is what the program offers: a better understanding of a positive way of life and how we can better live with each other.
The Restorative Justice Program uses the circle as a way to come up with alternative solutions to incarceration.
I've seen these forums before we had actual courts in the north. I've seen these forums being held, and usually in the summertime when people got back from their trap lines and stuff, and certain events would happen in the trap line that would cause for families to be in dispute. So when they came back to the central gathering place in the summertime, this is where they held these meetings to deal with these issues.
We're using the circle both in criminal diversions and family law cases, and I always like to say that the circle is magical. The circle has existed from time immemorial, and what happens in the circle is that everybody is equal, everyone has a say, judgment is suspended. That's one of the first things we tell the participants: we're not here to judge you.
Usually we have an opening prayer, opening comments by an elder, which sets the mood for the meeting, and everyone feels encouraged by that. The elder is very, very important. The elder gives guidance to how the matter is dealt with in the circle forum. The elder gives encouragement, and in most cases, the elder is understood and respected by all participants, therefore encouraged to be positive about dealing with certain issues in the circle forum. And we get the participants, the offender, the victim, and all the supporters and even community leaders involved, and we discuss the matter.
I'm angry because I promised I'd never make the same mistakes that my father made.
And we look for ways in which to repair the harm that's been done. And we look for ways in which to make the offender realize the consequences of their actions.
I want to apologize to the people that I hurt and that I've made such a mess.
And we put a focus on healing and rebuilding of relationships over a period of either a single circle or a number of circles.
In the second round of the circle, we ask what can be done to make it better. So people are turning their minds to the restoration of the relationship and what needs to be done, and we can come up with some very creative solutions.
The court would like to see community service hours being performed, apologies being made, but at the community level we come up with some other suggestions. Either the offender would be asked to do some work for the community, to work with elders, to attend counseling sessions with the elders of the community. Traditional gifts would be exchanged, therefore bringing the two individuals together and the families together. A circle is very special because it gives a responsibility to the people who participate in the circle. It gives them that empowerment to be able to deal with the issue that needs to be dealt with.
What comes out of the circle in, say, an hour and a half is something that would never even happen in the judicial system. So it's, I just think it's something that we need to bring back in our culture and hopefully perpetuate.